Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone's doing well this week. This video I'm really excited about. I've had my eye on this product for such a long time. I've really wanted to up my video quality and my photos. And yeah, it was Black Friday last week, so I thought now is the best time to get it. So yeah, I went ahead and got the Canon G7X Mark II. I've heard so many good things about this camera, and a lot of YouTubers do use this camera to film like vlogs and content, and that's like what I want to do, so I thought we need to just go ahead and purchase it. So yeah, I'm going to be doing a unboxing. I've waited since yesterday. I picked it up yesterday to unbox it today with all of you because I thought I just want to share everything with you guys, and I'm just really excited to open it and see what it's like. As well, I will be showing you a comparison between my iPhone XR, which I'm filming on right now, with the Canon camera, and seeing if like the quality is better and the sound and all that jazz. So yeah, if you don't know, my name is Jenna Weir. If you like my videos, please remember to like them and subscribe to my channel, because I can see you all watching them, but please just subscribe. As well, if you want to follow me on Instagram, it's @_Jenna.Weir, where I post more regularly, like things if you like kind of like beauty, fashion, lifestyle, all that kind of sort of stuff. Yeah, so if you are interested to seeing what comes in this box and the camera, or if you just want to watch, then yeah, come along and I will unbox it with you now. Right, so this box that I got was like I think like a vlogger box. It was a Canon POWERSHOT G7X Mark II vlogger kit. Hope you could see that there. So it comes with a 32GB SD card and like a little like tripod kind of sort of thing. Yeah, it was on sale for £499, which is actually pretty good because you do get quite a few things in it. Before I was looking at it it was about £569, and that just came with the camera. Like it didn't even come with the SD card or little like tripod. So yeah, I thought this is such a cute little kit, specifically for vlogging, which I think I'm going to start doing. Let me know if that's something you want to see me do. So yeah, I went ahead and got it. I got it from Argos. Super easy. I just bought it online and then I collected it in store the next day. So yeah, so let's get started. Yeah, it's pretty easy to open. Boop, boop, boop. So that's what it looks like. So it has like a little Canon's Guide to Vlogging, like a little leaflet, and then it has quite a few things. Oh, that's just cardboard filler. Right. Well, whatever just popped out at me is the SD card. So you got a 32GB SD card, which is, yeah, I think probably one of the smallest SD cards there are. I think you could go up higher, but it's good just to get it and start off with. Like I could buy more and include it in the bundle, like it's just an added bonus really. So yeah, you get a little SD card, and then you get a little, oh this is cute, a Gorillapod. Never heard of it, but it'll do. Oh, that's cute. So it's like a little flexible Gorillapod. Have any of you heard of this before? Because I haven't. I've only heard of like a tripod and like ring lights and all that sort of thing. So quite new to me. But it'll be good for vlogging, I guess, because you can kind of like hold it and steady yourself. What does it say? Flexible wrapping legs, rubberized ring and foot grips. Yeah. Oh, that's so cool. It's got like wrapped around little edges there. Oh. Yeah, quite cute. Oh, it's a cute little tripod. I quite like that. And then I could hold it if I want to do some vlogging, just to stabilize it a bit. But yeah, I don't know what that is. Maybe I put that. Nah, I have no idea what that is. But anyways, you get that included in your little kit as well, which is quite cute. I think it bends as well. Oh, looks like a little spider now. But yeah, so you get that included with it. Some more like extra packaging, saving the environment. And then yeah, the main event. So it's the camera. So it all comes in like separate little packaging, I guess, because it's like a bundle. They just kind of like put whatever they want in it. I'm so bad at opening like I always like ruin the box. Like I'm not a very careful person when it comes to opening things. All right, I've got it open now. So it's all a whole bunch of like paperwork and stuff, which maybe I should read. And then you get the little charger, I think it is. Yeah, that's a charger. So you get a little charger. I'll see how long the wire is, because sometimes that can be annoying if the wire is like too small and you want to like sit in bed and be on it. If it's not long enough, it is a bit annoying. So that is the charging wire, I'm assuming. And then some more packaging. Here it is. The main event. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Here it is. Oh my god. It's so nice. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait to use it. It's a normal size as like a compact camera. Look at the little screen. That's going to be so useful. Like right now when I'm filming, I don't know what I look like. Like I could literally look like a crazy woman, and I'd keep going and be like, at the end of the day, oh god, I wish I fixed that, blah 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 blah. Fix that, blah 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 blah. With the little like screen, I'm gonna be able to see myself. I'll probably have to like not look at it though, because then my eyes will be all wonky and like looking at it. But yeah, oh my god, that's so exciting. What else is in here? A battery charger. So I guess you could, yeah, you charge the little battery charger in that with that cord that I just showed you before. There's like a little wrist holder thing, which I probably should use because I'm quite clumsy and I'll probably drop it, and that would not be good. So yeah, it comes with like a little wrist holder thingy, which is very handy. And then the battery, so that is the battery there. So I'm gonna turn it on, I think. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Not techie whatsoever. I think I put that like there, and then I'll need the SD card. Right, I'm gonna find the SD card. I literally just opened it and I can't find it. Great. Right, so I finally found the SD card. Like, why am I such a hot mess? Like, I just got it and I couldn't find it. Anyways, I've put it in now with the battery, so I'm gonna turn it on. Right, so it wants me to like set up the date and time. So I'll just like put a few details into it. Oh, it's got no battery as well. Right, well, I'm gonna do this quickly. So it has no battery. I'm going to give it a full charge, and then I will film this start again, and I will show you all of the cool specs about the camera, and I'll let you know a little bit more and show you the difference between the iPhone and the Canon. I have fully charged the battery for the camera now. It took about 3 hours for it to give a full charge. So yeah, I'm gonna turn it on for you now. Love it. Right, so I just wanted to let you know a few things about the camera as well, and also the reasoning why I bought this one over any other one. So for me, I wanted to use it for obviously filming. Oh, God, I wanted to use it for filming videos for YouTube, as well as I do want to try to start vlogging at some point, and also for photos for Instagram. I just think it'll up the quality of all of my photos, which is going to be perfect. I wanted it to be small. Like, I've seen ones that have really big lenses and I'm sure they're really good, but for what I'm using it for, it's going to be more for like on the go, and like bringing it along with me, especially for vlogging. It's good to have something a bit more compact, and that's why I chose it. As well, like this screen is like the biggest thing for me. I just heard really good reviews about it. Like, I was debating on getting the G7X POWERSHOT Mark III, but I ended up going with this one only because I heard with the other one it was it had a lot of issues with focusing on your face, and for me, like, that's the main thing. Like, I don't want it to not try to focus. Like, I'm not really techie, as I said before, so I just wanted something where I could just pick it up, shoot, and it would just provide me with like a great image and video. So yeah, that's why it does connect to your phone, so you could connect it via the Wi-Fi button here, and there's an app which is really cool because when you're shooting you can look on your phone on a bigger screen and see what you look like, and if the content that you're doing is going to come out really good. So yeah, and it also can transfer the photos from the camera to your phone, which is really smart because I'm so like, it's so much better to not have to plug things in. Like, I love AirDrop on my phone. If I don't have to connect it to anything, I will not. So yeah, and once I found out that this had Wi-Fi and it could get the photos from here onto my phone, like just via Wi-Fi, that was it for me. I was like, yep, perfect, sold. I'm gonna now show you the difference from the iPhone XR to the Canon now. I absolutely love the quality of this camera. It focuses on my face so quickly and it is so clear, maybe a bit too clear. But I love it. I'm so excited to start making more videos, and I hope you're excited to watch them. But yeah, I absolutely, oh god, that's really close. I love the quality. I'm not too sure about the sound yet because I haven't transferred it onto my computer to make a video. But yeah, the quality seems good. I'm gonna try to zoom in. Oh, maybe it's not zooming. I could be like that. Oh, you can see my pimple there. Anyway, the quality is really good. I can tell you that for a fact. Yeah, I'm in love, I think. I think this was a really good purchase and I can't wait to start making my new videos on my camera. So that was today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope the unboxing with you and the comparison of different qualities with the iPhone with the Canon really clears up for you whether this camera is for you or not. If you have any questions or even any tips for me on how to use the camera, let me know please, because I am not a techie kind of girl. Anyways, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, please. And yeah, I hope everyone has a good week. We're already in December and I really don't know how we got here. 2020 has been a wild ride, to say the least. So yeah, I hope everyone is enjoying themselves, and everyone has liked the video. And yeah, if you want to see more content from me, you could either subscribe to my channel or follow me on Instagram, which I will link down below here. But yeah, hope everyone has a good day and thank you so much for watching my video. Bye!